Months before she was found dead, Kathleen Savio told a former co-worker that a strange husband, Drew Peterson, once threw her to the floor and said that he'd kill her. The testimony coming today in an unusual hearing about what evidence can be presented in a murder case. Good evening, everyone. It is called hearsay evidence, and under a new Illinois law, it can be allowed in some murder trials.
ABC 7's Sarah Schulte is joining us live from the Will County Courthouse with more on this hearsay hearing and what it could mean for the Peterson trial. Sarah?
Well, Alan, at the end of this hearing, which may last 2 to 3 weeks, the judge is going to decide if he's going to allow the hearsay evidence into the trial. If he does, it's going to mean a lot for the prosecution. To give you an idea, the prosecution during this hearing is going to present 50 to 60% of their case. In the case against Drew Peterson, Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow is hoping, if not counting, on a new state law that allows victims to speak from the grave. In this case, the victim is Peterson's third wife, Kathleen Savio, who was found dead in a bathtub 6 years ago. It's up to a judge to decide if statements Savio said or wrote to others about threats that Peterson made will be allowed in the trial.
If they don't get any hearsay in, their case is gone. Also, from a strategic standpoint, we have a good look at what the state's case is going to be.
The state called Kathleen Savio's former co-worker Issam Karim to the stand. He testified that Savio told him that one night Peterson broke into her home, quote, tackled her, threw her on the stairs, put a knife to her throat, and said he would kill her right there but couldn't do it because it would be too bloody. This testimony did not come as a surprise to Stacy Peterson's family spokesperson, Pam Bosco.
What we know of the two women and the relationship, what we had heard, and what we know of Stacy, what she had told us, it all comes together.
The hearsay evidence also includes statements Peterson made to others. His former Bolingbrook police partner, James Coughlin, testified that in February of 2004, he ran into Peterson at the Will County Courthouse following a court proceeding between Peterson and Savio. Coughlin said that Peterson told him, quote, she got all my money. It will be a lot easier if she were dead, end quote. And Peterson's fourth wife, Stacy Peterson's uncle, Kyle Tugis, told the judge that he remembers a conversation with Peterson 2 weeks after Savio's death. Tugis said that Peterson's friends implied that he may have had something to do with Savio's death. Tugis said that Peterson responded by saying, quote, let them prove it.
It's not right. I mean, that was somebody you live with and somebody you love.
And let them prove it is exactly what the prosecutors are trying to do, and they say their case will be a whole lot easier if this hearsay evidence is allowed in. This unusual hearing is expected to last 2 or 3 weeks. Prosecutors are going to be calling dozens of witnesses. The defense also calls some witnesses. Joel Brodsky did say that it's highly unlikely that Drew Peterson will testify. Live at the Will County Courthouse in Joliet, Sarah Schulte, ABC 7 News. Alan, back to you.
All right, Sarah, thanks.